get you clean on before you can maintain. So pick up a mop and kick your shoes off, and let me tell you what you're gonna gain. I'm kinda pumped and it's all because
this is how we do it.
Maxim floors it like nobody does.
This is how we do it.
For those who want more, we got your floor care.
This is how we do it.
From fast shipping to our formulas.
This is how we do it.
Oh, you know it's time to shine.
This is how we do it.
Straight up walking on sunshine.
This is how we do it.
Oh, you get more value, yeah.
This is how we do it.
Your Maxim does it like nobody does.